All right, hey guys, we're back. Rig Hut, truck parking. 6 months or so ago, we made a decision. We took our entire platform, everything we'd built over the last few years, 300 plus yards on every major freight market across the USA, and we built it from the ground up. We just called it Rig Hut 2.0, and we launched it not too long ago. We want to tell you why we did it because we think it says something about how we think about this business. The honest answer is our operators told us to. Operators meaning truck parking yard owners. Not in those exact words, but when you talk to 300 yard owners every month, not only internally, but thousands every month, externally, prospecting, talking with brokers, etc., you start to pay attention, patterns emerge, and the pattern we kept hearing was we needed to do more and we need to be smarter. That was obvious, but what exactly did that mean? More specifically, three things kept coming up. The first was camera and surveillance. What we always say is every professionally run truck parking yard has about three legs to it, or three tenants. As the enablement of payments, which is the ability to take rent, right, or charge someone on a daily, weekly, monthly, hourly basis. That could be cash in hand. That could be Venmo or Zelle. And that can be a platform like Rig Hut. The second would be access control. So the ability to allow or disallow truck owners or fleets or any industrial equipment owner into your yard has to have some sort of restriction, whether it's physical or digital. So, it could be a padlock, which I've spoken about the problems there, or it can be an actual on staff personnel who's there, opening up a yard or opening up a piece of rope and allowing them to come in and checking them off on a board. And lastly is camera and surveillance. We'll first talk about the camera and surveillance because that would be the next evolution. The first was cameras. When I was mentioning the three things that kept coming up, all operators have cameras. What type of cameras they have and what they do with it is another thing. They've always had cameras, but the cameras mostly were just recording. Nobody was watching them. Nobody had time to watch them. Nobody cared to watch them unless the problems came up. What they wanted was for the cameras to work for them, who came in, to know who left, whether they were supposed to be there, whether they paid. Intelligence, not just the footage or the appearance of having surveillance, right? So what we built was Rig Hut Vision. It connects to any existing camera setup, layers AI on top, license plate recognition, vehicle descriptions, arrival and departure tracking, tailgate detection, every event logged and searchable. You don't just have to watch the footage. The system watches it for you. And then eventually start learning, understanding patterns. What type of what hour of the day are most guys coming in? What hour of the day are most guys coming out? What period of the month or of the year is this becoming more so a trend, or more so, when are they peaking and when are they declining? The second thing was gate access. Like I mentioned, access control. Operators were still texting gate codes. They're still calling drivers with PIN numbers. They're still dealing with guys who stopped paying 3 months ago, but somehow kept getting in. They wanted access tied directly to payment. Simple as that. Smart Gate was already part of our platform. In 2.0, we tightened the whole integration. Access is now directly tied to reservation status. Non-payment triggers automatic suspensions, and a payment link pay and access restores. No manual step required. The third thing was the after hours problem. If you run a truck parking facility, you know what I'm talking about. A driver calls at 9 p.m., you're at dinner, they want to know how to get in. All of these calls, 85+% of them are the same calls. Another call is at midnight about extending the reservation, the same questions over and over again at hours when nobody should have to answer the phone. So what we started building was AI call agents, AI yard agents, a dedicated phone number for the yard, trained on your rules and rates, 24/7, speak any language. They sound like actual human. They handle driver questions. They take bookings. They process payments. It sounds just like a person in your office, and it gives you back your evenings. All of this runs through a completely redesigned dashboard, faster, cleaner, built for truck parking operators who manage multiple yards or just one, fleet accounts, corporate tenants, acre-based leases. We didn't just build 2.0 because we thought the old version was bad. We rebuilt it because our operators kept growing and we had to grow with them. If you haven't seen the 2.0 yet, the link, as always, below is to book a demo. Our team, more than happy to have a few minutes with you, show you how other people are using us, and also learn more about your yard. We'll show you exactly what's new, as there are a lot more things that I never mentioned. and what it looks like for a yard like yours. Thanks.